Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude. This fucking shadow guy's fucking nuts. He's fucking thirsty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna close the door. And I'm gonna back the fuck up. Dude, oh my god. What the fuck, dude? This fucking shadow person's insane. No, close the doors. I want to try a little experiment with this little fucker. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, dude, that's exactly like the flash image I just saw in my fucking head. Oh my god. Dude. What the fuck? That's the creepiest shit I've ever fucking seen. Holy shit.
He's black. Go on. He's bald. Does he look like a bitch? What?
Fuck my pussy.
It's kind of weird how SMG4 back in the day, he used the same exact map that I'm using right now. It's kind of fucking weird. It like really is fucking weird. We're fucking gonna be a Teletubby. You just reenact SMG4 back in the day. Ha 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 ha. Get that motherfucker! It's just really weird how SMG4 used this map back in the day. What the fuck is that? Fuck you. Oh my god, that is fucking freaky. Twiggles, help me, you have demons in your fucking house. Oh shit! How, this is the same map that SMG4 used back in the day for his old productions. It's really fucking weird, dude. What was it, Tubby TV or some shit?
Teletubbies come to play.
Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Tinky Winky, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, La La, La La, Ho. Teletubbies. Are you no pretty piece of ass? Hello.
Get the fuck out of here!
Like, literally, look at this shit. It's just really weird how we can compare 2 and 2 on this shit. Look at this. This is like the fucking greatest, craziest shit. Is we're looking at a map at basically SMG4 used back in the day, except I have a shitty processor that he used this map. You know what? 2 can play that game. Watch this, motherfucker. Tinky Winky, motherfucker. Yeah, I'm a fucking Teletubby, motherfucker. What you gonna do, motherfucker? Welcome to another episode with this Shadow Person nextbot. I got some big news for you guys. So, I'm gonna be taking some time off, so that way I can endure the holiday season with my family and bust an ass off at my job and take care of everything, because they're probably going to have me doing like 5 to 6 days a week. Plus, I still got paperwork to register us to get ready for the next event in Seattle within almost 8 months. So, in addition to that being said, I also have some more important news. All the videos that I'm going to be uploading onto this page within the next few weeks or next few months, these are going to be the final videos I have ever uploaded from this old processor. As of next year, I will be upgraded to a processor that will be able to register PJ64 and all the right schematics. No more error signs on Gary's mod. And we're moving up in the world, and this is going to be the last time I use this old outdated processor. So, with that being said, we might as well fuck with Mr. Shadow Guy one last time. Where's he at? You in there? Hello? Where you at, you little shadow person? Where are you gonna be? Huh? You gonna be in here? God, it's like watching Ghost Hunters with your ass. Dude, you know what? I'm going in here, and I'm gonna wash my gooch. And if you got a problem, well, that's just too bad. I don't think I've ever been in this house before. It's got a nice little minty green bathtub. You know what? You little penis, dude. You know what? Fuck you. I'm gonna sit in your bathtub. I'm gonna wash myself with some Dove soap. Have a bottle of Jack Daniels. And you ain't gonna fucking do nothing to stop me. Little bucket of crack. It's the smallest closet ever. I don't think I can get in there. Oh my god, no. You fucking penis stain. You know what? Your closet's tiny too. You can't even get in there. You know what? I'm gonna go to my house and I'm gonna fuck. And I'm gonna take your newspaper with me. Sorry, neighbor, but I need your newspaper. But okay, you know what? You can have your newspaper back. I will take it. Here you go. Creepy ass motherfucker. What's in here? Oh shit. Let me go down. Yeah. What the fucking big small dick cock and balls sandwich. Oh, that's just nice. I'm at a dead end. You know what? That's good by me. I can always go in here and fuck. You know what? You know what, you fucking shadow guy? Please save me. I'm not fucking... I fucking unleashed the demons of hell. I see how we're doing this, you slut. I don't know why I called this shadow person a slut. That's kind of funny. Watch this shit. Oh, you think you're fucking clever, huh, you fucking twat? Beat your ass. Oh yeah, it does sound pretty redneck in here. Sounds like Trump supporter music. He's like, yeah, fuck yeah, bud. Fuck yeah, buddy. What the fuck? You know, I'm gonna look up a Ghost Hunters episode real quick, because I got this like image in my head and it's so fucking weird. It's like a picture of a shadow person looking out a fucking window. And I want to I can't speak. Cranston and Grafton. I wonder if that's it. That might be it.
A lot of times we've looked up and you can see him standing in the window.
Aw, dude. You know what's the funny thing is I'm getting ready to try to finalize the rest of the Gmod maps, and I said to myself, dude, I got this flash image in my head that I have to do some research on. I even had to pull up Wikipedia so I could find it. And I loaded the episode through Dailymotion, and it's exactly what I saw in my fucking head. You know what? I'm probably going to finish up production on this, and then I'm going to fucking just call it, because this is fucking creepy, dude. This is like literally the same flash image I saw in my fucking head. Just gonna go casually walk out, and you can suck my feet. Oh my god! Dude. What the fuck? I'm going back in there. Fuck you. Fuck to the you. You could suck my crinkle cut fucking toes. Fucking crazy ass little shadow person motherfucker. You fucking cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs bitch motherfucker. See if anything happens when I do this. Oh my god! What the fuck? Alright, let's go. See what happens when I go down here. Just go this way. Well, I'm knocking into something down there. I can hear I'm knocking on some doors. What the fuck? Dude, this shadow guy is fucking crazy. Okay, so I got out and I started moving around a little bit. Where's this fucker at? Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude. This fucking shadow guy's fucking nuts. He's fucking thirsty.